We talked about the drought we're in and got a bit of wind, low humidity. We're seeing what can happen right behind us. Multiple grass fires broke out across North Texas, destroying some homes and businesses.
Yeah, we've seen fires in Grayson, Hood, Palo Pinto, Tarrant, and Wise counties. And in 30 minutes, we're going to get a live report from Kennedale, where some winds fueled a big grass fire there, even forcing evacuations.
Yeah, first, though, we do want to get you out the door with Greg Fields. Greg, we still have that wind to contend with, but people are praying for rain.
Yeah, we are praying for rain, and we will have some rain and thunderstorms. We won't be drought busting, but we are talking about a few showers early in the day. Some thunderstorms move in tonight, but these will be very fast moving. Yeah, we'll take anything we can get, but not enough to really help out as far as the drought is concerned. We'll talk more about that for you coming up. In the meantime, look at those winds. They are gusting this morning, 33 miles per hour, taking you out to Fair Park, a mild 62 degrees. You see that moisture has increased. The low clouds have rolled in. That's going to help out a little bit. The moisture hasn't increased some. Those dew points are up quite a bit compared to where they were yesterday and earlier in the week. As we're looking at low 60s, heading on out to Plano at 63, along with Richardson here this morning, 62, heading over to Fort Worth as well, and in Denton, 64 right now. So anticipate the winds, the warm temperatures out there early on, maybe a few spotty showers, a little drizzle developing this morning, and then those thunderstorms likely after midnight tonight. So we'll be talking more about that. So as you make those plans for the day, we'll have those gusty south winds all day long. We'll have those gusts up over 30 miles per hour. We'll top out right around 71, but those thunderstorms are going to roll in after midnight. Looks like some of these will likely be severe as well. So we'll talk more in detail about that as well. And then those temperatures falling as we go throughout the day on Thursday. So it does get cold once again. All right, Tashara is out brave.